Okay, and then I want to just say that we're not doing the work of proving the problem. We're doing the work, HireLyrics is doing the work of documenting the problem. We're saying to use this public citizens incident reporting database to actually post the names, the actual names without fear. This database prototype is going to go to the federal government, and right now the Obama administration, as a demonstration, as if every court official had to indicate that they saw this database with the families that were reporting into this database, then they couldn't shirk responsibility for knowing about previous victimizations, previous child welfare malpractice, previous attorney malpractice. They wouldn't be able to destroy by throwing away, discarding proofs and evidence that would have gotten the family help in favor of 2-month-old situations of new strangers and girlfriends and other family members claiming to be family friends. They actually censor to the point of destroying evidence, 47 pages in this case, that has destroyed this family. Literally destroyed this family. Destroyed the family and any economic, any viable contribution into our economy's recovery that they would have made. You know, in favor of them being engorged. This particular corrupt attorney has a $274,000 purchase in Ocean City of real estate in 2007 with his wife. Flagrantly publishes the birth of his third son in celebratory fashion in the Widener University Law School newsletter. Sits on the Brandywine Youth Board. So also picks up while he's supposedly defense counsel trying to look out for a poor father's custody rights. He blocks the poor father's ability to get any health care or treatment for drug and alcohol addiction, squashes all drug tests, totally ignores the grandparents' rights, the pro se plaintiff's right, constitutional right for disclosure and discovery. The custody master, her name is FERN B. CAPLAN, Esquire, CCP, Court of Common Pleas, 1st Judicial District. His name, the corrupt bar attorney, who also works as support master, and he promised hair follicle drug tests, didn't deliver. The court, FERN B. CAPLAN, took the Timothy Possenti Esquire's instructions on witnesses, approved witnesses that turned out to be fraudulent and perjuring and lying. A children's hospital, a children's hospital known as CHOP, Children's Hospital of Pennsylvania, known as CHOP. Patricia Lee, LSW, social worker, literally lied on the stand and stole a person's identity on the stand, and whose testimony, who the corrupt custody master, FERN B. CAPLAN, accepted her verbal testimony, which relied heavily on this person's identity that she stole, but was not at all mentioned in the written expert report. The custody master, the corrupt custody master, FERN B. CAPLAN, wrote an order that gave the father primary physical custody of the children to live in this girlfriend's house. This new girlfriend's house that's hearing disabled, multiple car accidents, already on SSI, already on welfare, looking for a way to get some check and food stamps. She actually caused this to happen by throwing away, canceling the November 23rd hearing that would have had to address our evidence. These are just some of the things, in censorship of case captions, flagrant and erroneous errors, and then of course the court administrators. We're going to name all those too in the database. I want everybody to please know that you are encouraged to come and enter your administrative horror stories for whatever has happened to you and your family, how you were victimized by a machine-like process. Family court, custody, child support. I want you to come to blogtalkradio.com/born-2to-serve. Every Sunday at 11 a.m. The chat room will be open where you can either type in your administrative horror stories and I'll copy and paste them into the database after verification. There are response forms at my website, www.HireLyrics.org, HireLyrics. where you can contact me and give me your contact information, and I will document into the Citizens Control Public Incident Reporting Database, the prototype that's going to go to the Obama administration, where we will seek to leverage personal accountability. And not only in the database, we are growing a class action suit. So anyone who wants to join with us and going to the Supreme Court and suing these proven corrupt bar attorneys, FERN B. CAPLAN, Esquire, CAPLAN with a C, Timothy E. Possenti, P-O-S-S-E-N-T-I, ESQ, right? He's also noted on the internet for giving campaign contributions. This is a class struggle. This is where one class engorges itself and grows fatter by consuming the lower classes, the poorer classes, by consuming the future of this family and destroying it in vampire-like fashion. Timothy E. Possenti, Esquire, and corrupt custody master FERN B. CAPLAN, by destroying evidence, right, have actually destroyed a family and impacted adversely U.S. economic recovery, because there's at least 3 American family workforce product contributors that will never make it to market. Please go to www.HireLyrics.org, or whatisterelefttodO.com is my other website. Continue looking out for us on YouTube, Yahoo, and I might even do some MySpace videos, okay? We're going to issue a press release too to the media to let them know that we are coming together as Americans in this country, and we're going to bypass the state boundaries. We're going to overlap all states, because this is a federal issue, where federal money is going. Federal money goes to the court systems. And this Title IV thing, the incentive, as you'll see in this annotation, please go listen to this. It's big business. Family court is big business. They want to keep your children in the most abusive, harmful situation so that they know the protective parent will never stop fighting, and they can suck all the money out of the family while they get engorged and appear like they're good, they're okay. And their children's arrival needs to be celebrated, and ours need to be destroyed. Okay? Thank you for everything. This is Roxanne Grinage. God bless everyone. Please come to give me your administrative horror stories at www.HireLyrics.org. God bless everyone. Much love and respect.